Here's a pair of the Powerbeats Pro 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony Smart TV via Bluetooth. This is the Sony TV that has Google TV. First thing is, let's put these into pairing mode. Both the earbuds are in a case. Let's open up the lid. We'll notice in pairing mode if the light here is blinking white, 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 or you should hear a pairing chime. I get a solid white light here, and then it's going to go off for me. The reason for me is because I'm currently connected to one of my phones, okay? So let me manually put this in a pairing mode. There's a button here in the case. I'm going to press and hold till it starts blinking white here. There's the button. Press and hold. Keep holding. Wait. Now it's blinking white. Now it's in pairing mode. You also hear the pairing chime. It's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our TV. And just go directly to your settings if you have a settings button in your remote. If not, just go to the home page, click on the home button on your remote, and then navigate to the gear icon, the settings icon. Let me go up, and let me go all the way to the right. Now make sure all settings is highlighted. Okay that. Left pane here, we're going to go all the way down to remotes and accessories. Right there. Let's select that. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to go down the one and we're going to tap accessory. Okay, now you can see the other headphones and earbuds I have paired to this TV currently, but we're going to pair these and connect these ones right now. So pair accessory. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode, and now you just have to wait until it popped up already, Powerbeats Pro. So let's go all the way down. Let's highlight that. Click on OK on the remote. It says pairing. We should get a wow. It says couldn't pair. Weird. This select it again. See what happens. It's still in the pairing mode. Couldn't pair. It said it couldn't pair again. Okay, so this is good. So we're gonna do a little troubleshooting here. Okay, let me go ahead and close the case. Let me open it back up, and now let me press and hold that button again. Press and hold, and keep holding until it starts blinking white. Still holding. Now it's blinking white. I hear the pairing chime. Now let's shoot back over here and try again. Let me just click on the back button here, and then let's pair accessory again. Basically rescan it again. Let's see if that works. Now scanning again. Okay, I found it again, and let's see if it works now. Powerbeats Pro, let's select it. Now it says pairing up there, but we're waiting for it to say like a pairing request. Okay, there we go. So make sure pair is highlighted. Let's OK on that. It says connecting. Come on. It says pair. It's connected, and I also heard the connecting chime on here as well. And you can see under the Powerbeats Pro, it says it is now connected. Okay. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always perform a factory reset. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.